Good morning. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're going to want to watch this video because we're about to tell you the most important trends and news driving markets this morning. You're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.
Good morning. Today is June 12th, 2019. Is it possible that the rebound in stocks over the past week was too sharp? Yeah, well, we think that, since we advocated looking at our top quality value and low volatility momentum stocks yesterday. We published a report highlighting the stocks that are in the top in both factor categories. A definite must-read if you haven't checked it out already. Some of my favorite names include Discover Financial Services, ticker DFS, Visa, ticker V, Aflac, ticker AFL, and Honeywell, ticker HON. The ongoing trade tensions between the US and China certainly dampen any enthusiasm for stocks, and it's not unreasonable to say that there's going to be a cap on valuations for the foreseeable future. I'm going to be closely watching today's CPI and the reactions to it to see if there's an effect on Fed funds futures. I don't expect to see rate cuts in June, but it certainly feels like something's coming by the September Fed meeting. People keep asking me, what is my favorite sector despite everything? I feel like a broken record, but I keep coming back to my favorite US consumer tech and China ADR consumer tech stocks. I just personally prefer investing in industries where growth is secular and disconnected from macro trends. I know the news out of Hong Kong about protests this morning is not good for sentiment, but I would be closely following our China ADR consumer tech stocks if they drop over worries about Hong Kong's political independence from Beijing. Some of our favorites include Alibaba, Tencent, Autohome, and NetEase. And now let's get into some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. National Beverage, ticker FIZZ, tanks after Business Insider reports that the company is facing a new lawsuit. The new lawsuit claims that National Beverage president claimed its sparkling water cans were free of BPA months before they actually were, to create some positive buzz for the company. That isn't good for the stock at all. Be very cautious here. Apple's in talks to acquire Intel's modem unit 2 months after Apple said it would stop using Intel's modem in its products. Following Apple's announcement that it would stop buying its modems, Intel said it would quit the business. Intel supposedly spent over $1 billion trying to develop its modems. The last generation of iPhones use Intel modems, but the next will not. More to come with this story, but it does make sense from a commercial standpoint. And finally, GrubHub shares surged after a report from GeekWire indicates that Amazon will shut down its restaurant food delivery service, Amazon Restaurants. The report finds that Amazon Restaurants will be discontinued on June 24th, and that its workplace lunch delivery service, Daily Dish, will close on June 14th. Analysts still expect GrubHub will continue to lose market share with intense competition from Uber Eats and DoorDash. GrubHub is still one of our top shorts. It's just a business who does not have serious economic moats to protect it from competition. I know, growth is strong, but I'm just not comfortable buying a stock with the next 12-month PE above 40 times for a business which can be disintermediated. Something is wrong with return on invested capital so low and declining. That means profitability trends are going in the wrong direction for GrubHub.
Thanks for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Let us know what you think about our AM Markets Preview and some other points that you'd like us to mention. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.